Podia course creation tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a course on Podia. The first thing you need to do is go onto podia.com, and from there you're going to tap on start your free trial. After doing that, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and some basic information. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you're going to hover over products from the top navigation bar, and you're going to tap on it and select new product. After selecting new product, you're going to select online course. Then you're going to give your course a name. So for example, let's say I were to call my course YouTube. Then you'll tap on create product. After selecting create product, you will be redirected to this page, and this is where you'll be able to build your course. You can add in your first lesson. So let's say for example my first lesson will be on how to create a thumbnail. So I could type in how to create thumbnail right here. After doing that, you can add the content. So you could type out the content right here on how to create a thumbnail, and then you will tap on save. After you have saved it, if it is a case that you would like to add more lessons, you can do that, or you could add a section below create a thumbnail. So for example, you could tap on new section. You can either tap on new section right here, or you could tap on new section right there. After doing that, you can add in your title. So for example sake, you can type in how to research on creating a thumbnail, or the different colors that you would recommend to create a thumbnail, and you'll be able to add that right there. If it is a case that you would like to add a quiz, or you would like to embed a form or picture or anything like that, all you need to do is tap on new lesson. Then from there you could tap on add embed, and you could upload a form. You could also create a quiz by tapping on add quiz. Then from there you can give the quiz a name, so you could type in the title right there. After typing in the title, you will tap on new question, and this is where you will be able to create your quiz. So after adding in your questions, you can also select the right or wrong answer right there, so you can add that in, and then you'll realize that your quiz has been added. So this is where you'll be able to create your course layout. After you have created your course layout, what I want you to do next, so let's say we were to tap on done. After creating your course layout, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on details from the top left hand corner. After selecting details, you can see the course name. You can also upload a cover image by tapping on choose image, or you can tap on upload from computer. And let's say I were to upload this random thumbnail. After you have added your course cover image, you can also add in a description, and you can also create categories. If you would like to offer certificates when persons have completed your course, you can toggle on provide certificates. Then you'll scroll down, and if you like to integrate other apps, you can do that by tapping on browse integrations. You can see that you're allowed to integrate numerous apps, for example ConvertKit, MailChimp, Drip, Aweber, and so much more. So you can integrate whichever one of these platforms suits you. And you can also set up your payment methods by tapping on payments from the top navigation bar. You will be able to connect Stripe and PayPal, so you can tap on payments right there, and you'll be able to connect Stripe and PayPal. Once you're finished, you're going to go back. Then you're going to tap on pricing in the top left hand corner, and you're going to tap on edit. After doing that, you'll now be able to set up payment. Once you have created your payment method, you can tap on paid, and you'll be able to offer a paid course. Unless you have connected your PayPal and Stripe, it will be set as free. Then you will tap on availability. After selecting availability, right where you see status and draft, you're going to tap right there, and you're going to change it from draft to published. Then you'll tap on save, and your course will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.